About this item: large wheels. The mobile TV stand is equipped with large wheels that ensure smooth and easy movement across different surfaces. Whether you need to move your TV to another room or take it outside for an event, the large wheels can handle it with ease. With two shelves, the portable TV stand provides ample space to store your media devices such as cable boxes, DVD players, computers, and gaming consoles. The shelves are adjustable and can be positioned at different heights to accommodate your equipment. Extra HDMI cable and cable straps. The moving TV stand with wheels comes with an extra HDMI cable and cable straps to help you organize and connect your devices. The cable straps keep the wires neat and tidy, while the HDMI cable ensures a high-quality connection for your viewing pleasure. Height adjustable. The rolling TV stand is height adjustable, allowing you to customize the viewing height according to your preferences. You can adjust the height of the TV stand to a comfortable level, which can help reduce neck and back strain and improve your overall viewing experience. Good for 32 to 70-inch LCD LED flat/curved screens up to 100 pounds. This mobile indoor and outdoor TV stand is compatible with a wide range of TVs and monitors, including flat and curved screens up to 70 inches and weighing up to 100 pounds. The VESA pattern compatibility is up to 600 x 400 mm, which covers most TV brands and models. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: large wheels. The mobile TV stand is equipped with large wheels that ensure smooth and easy movement across different surfaces.